Our story begins in the small village of Billund, Denmark. It's 1916. Olke Christiansen, a skilled carpenter, is struggling to make ends meet. Times are tough. People don't have much money for luxuries like toys, but Ole is resourceful. He starts making small wooden toys in his workshop. He puts his heart into each one. Word spreads about Ole's wonderful toys. People appreciate their quality and charm. He names his company Lego, a combination of the Danish words leg and godt, meaning play well. The name will become synonymous with creativity and imagination. It all starts in that humble workshop. Ole's son, Godfred, joins him in the business. Godfred is a bright young man with a head full of ideas. Together they work tirelessly. They expand their workshop, they hire more craftsmen. The Lego company, fueled by passion and hard work, begins to grow. The future looks bright for the little Danish toy company. But nobody can predict the incredible journey that lies ahead. Lego is about to change the world, one plastic brick at a time. The 1930s bring about difficult times. The Great Depression casts a long shadow over the world. Lego, like many businesses, struggles to stay afloat, but Ole refuses to give up. He adapts. He starts producing wooden step ladders and ironing boards alongside the toys. World War II brings further challenges. Wood, the lifeblood of Lego, becomes scarce. But amidst the turmoil, a spark of innovation ignites. Ole discovers a new material, plastic. He sees its potential. It's durable, colourful, and can be moulded into any shape. In 1949, Lego patents its first plastic brick. It's called the automatic binding brick. This early version differs slightly from the iconic brick we know today. But the essential principle is there, the studs on top, designed to interlock with other bricks. This simple yet ingenious design will revolutionize the toy industry. It will spark countless hours of imaginative play. The plastic Lego brick, born out of hardship and ingenuity, is about to take the world by storm. The beauty of the Lego brick lies in its simplicity. Children intuitively understand how it works. They connect the bricks, they build towers, houses and spaceships. The possibilities are endless. The interlocking system unlocks a world of creativity. The bricks come in different shapes and sizes. They can be combined in infinite ways. Children can build anything they can imagine. A pirate ship sailing the high seas? Absolutely. A bustling city with skyscrapers? No problem. Lego becomes more than a toy. It becomes a tool for learning and self-expression. The system fosters problem-solving skills. Children learn about spatial reasoning and structural integrity. They experiment with different designs. They troubleshoot when their creations topple over. And through it all, they have fun. Lego's popularity grows steadily throughout the 1950s. The company expands its product line. New colors and shapes are introduced, but the best is yet to come. The Lego system is about to reach new heights. The 1960s mark a period of significant growth for Lego. The company recognizes the importance of themes. Children love to immerse themselves in different worlds. Lego responds by introducing sets based on specific themes. The first themed sets revolve around familiar concepts, towns and trains. Children can now build their own miniature worlds, complete with houses, shops and train tracks. These sets are a huge hit. They pave the way for even more elaborate and imaginative themes. Lego expands beyond Denmark's borders. The company establishes a strong presence in Europe. It sets its sights on the North American market. Children around the world are captivated by the magic of Lego. The Lego Group's commitment to quality is unwavering. Every brick is manufactured to the highest standards. The company's dedication to precision ensures that bricks manufactured today will seamlessly connect with bricks made decades ago. This remarkable consistency is a testament to Lego's enduring appeal. Section 5. The minifigure revolution, adding characters to the story. In 1978, Lego introduces a game changer, the minifigure. These small, posable figures, with their iconic yellow skin and simple smiles, become synonymous with the Lego brand. They add a whole new dimension to Lego play. Children are no longer just building structures, they're creating stories. The minifigures become characters in their imaginative narratives. They're astronauts exploring distant planets, knights battling dragons, or firefighters rescuing people from burning buildings. The minifigures evolve over time. They acquire different facial expressions, hairstyles, and accessories. LEGO introduces themed minifigures based on popular movies, TV shows, and video games. The possibilities for storytelling become, well, limitless. The introduction of the minifigure marks a turning point in LEGO's history. It cements the brand's status as more than just a toy. LEGO becomes a platform for creativity, imagination, and storytelling. It captures the hearts of children and adults alike. Section 6. Facing the Brick Wall. Challenges and Reinvention. The late 1990s and early 2000s present new challenges for LEGO. The toy industry is changing rapidly. Children are increasingly drawn to digital entertainment, video games, computers, and the internet. LEGO, once at the forefront of innovation, faces declining sales. The company experiments with new products and themes, some more successful than others. There are forays into clothing, watches, and even theme park management. While some ventures prove successful, LEGO's core product, the plastic brick, seems to be losing its allure. However, LEGO is not a company to stay down for long. It recognizes the need to adapt and evolve. The company undergoes a period of introspection. It reconnects with its core values, creativity, imagination, and high-quality products. LEGO realizes that the key to its survival lies in embracing the digital age while staying true to its roots. The company embarks on a journey of reinvention, one that will see it reclaim its position as a global leader in the toy industry. Section 7. Entering the digital age, video games and beyond. LEGO's foray into the digital world begins with video games. The company partners with experienced game developers to create immersive LEGO experiences. The games are an instant hit. They combine the fun of building with engaging gameplay and storylines. LEGO video games span a wide range of genres, from action-adventure to racing to puzzle solving. They feature popular franchises like Star Wars, Harry Potter, and Indiana Jones, reimagined in the charming LEGO style. The games appeal to both children and adults who grew up playing with LEGO. But LEGO's digital ambitions extend beyond video games. The company ventures into movie production. The LEGO Movie, released in 2014, is a critical and commercial success. It's a love letter to the power of imagination and the importance of creativity. LEGO understands that the digital and physical worlds are not mutually exclusive. They can complement each other. The company develops apps and digital building instructions that enhance the physical building experience. LEGO embraces the digital age while staying true to its core values. Section 8. A global phenomenon: conventions, theme parks, and more. Today, LEGO is more than just a toy company. It's a global phenomenon. LEGO conventions attract thousands of fans from around the world. Attendees showcase their incredible creations, attend workshops, and share their passion for all things LEGO. LEGO theme parks, known as Legolands, offer immersive experiences for families. Visitors can marvel at intricate LEGO models, enjoy thrilling rides, and even build their own creations. The parks are a testament to LEGO's enduring appeal and ability to bring people together. LEGO's influence extends beyond the realm of toys and entertainment. Architects and designers have used LEGO bricks to create stunning works of art and even functional buildings. The possibilities of LEGO, it seems, are truly limitless. The company is committed to social responsibility. The LEGO Foundation supports children in need, promoting learning through play and fostering creativity. LEGO strives to make a positive impact on the world, one brick at a time. Section 9. Building a better world. LEGO's enduring legacy. From its humble beginnings in a Danish carpenter's workshop, LEGO has become a global empire. The company's journey is a testament to the power of creativity, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of quality. LEGO has touched the lives of millions of people around the world. The enduring appeal of LEGO lies in its ability to inspire and empower. It allows us to tap into our inner child, to dream big, and to bring our imaginations to life. Lego teaches us that there are no limits to what we can create when we put our minds to it. As Lego continues to evolve and adapt to the ever-changing world, one thing remains constant: its commitment to fostering creativity and imagination in people of all ages. Lego's legacy is not just about plastic bricks, it's about the power of play to educate, inspire and bring joy to people around the world, and that's something worth celebrating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more stories about the world's most iconic brands.